Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking to protect your Beats headphones, then you're going to need the silicone case from JDHDL. If you're like me, your headphones probably always get lost or damaged or something. So that's why I wanted to have a headphone case. That way it slips right in, and the silicone keeps it super snug so it doesn't fall off easily. And it doesn't damage it. It keeps it really nice. And then it has sticky on the top of it when you first buy it. As you see, it has easy access back to your headphones. And it has the bottom so you can plug in. One of my other favorite features is the hook. That way I can clip it onto my pants, I can clip it onto my book bag, and I will never lose my headphones now. They have a lot of fun colors. I decided to go with the aqua blue because it pairs really nicely with the white and kind of remind me of a dolphin. And besides, the blue will stand out a lot for me, and that way if I do drop my headphones, I'll be able to find it. Besides that, the silicone gives it the protection so if it falls, it won't damage and it won't get any of your scratches from being in a purse or a backpack. It always gets hits on keychains and stuff like that. So this is for sure going to keep your headphones nice and protected. I love having a peace of mind knowing that my Beats headphones are always protected with this silicone case. And that's my point of view.